up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 16, kit number 62 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds, folks. Yes, the iconic car from the iconic movie is back. And this is brought to you by the wonderful folks over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build along with me, the link is below in the description as well. But head over to this link here. That'll take you to the Fanhome website, and you can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale part work, folks. And we are on part number, or kit number 62 today, folks, which is this. You are going to be preparing the rear folding panel that we'll fix to the rear seat back in the next stage of the assembly, yes. But we're going to be prepping it and getting it ready, folks, okay? So our parts are the panel itself, big long hinge and some screws, okay? But we're going to be putting the hinge itself onto this panel, getting it all ready, folks, okay? Because that will then sit in the rear section of your Mustang. So we're going to be doing that today. It's a nice, simple issue, but it does look a rather stunning part, actually. Just here in the bag, folks. So let's quickly whop that out of the bag and have a look at what we got. So just run the knife through. And there you go. It feels like a velvet on it. So let's just pop them screws. Oh, they're tiny. Oh my God. Tiny screws. And devil's metal. Yes, folks. Festa's nemesis. I would say photo etch, but it's a metal hinge. But yeah, me and photo etch and things like that, we do have a bit of a love-hate relationship, folks. Look at that. We've got a working hinge. Oh, look at that, folks. I didn't think that that was a fully working hinge. Sit and play with that all day, look. Rightio, let's stop that car and carry on with the part work. I've had to do a hasty repair on mine and glue that back on because, yeah, it was delivered by a wonderful courier company who decided to play football with the part work in their van. So thank you for that. So let's just line that up, and then we've got 4 screws going in there. Give that a little bit of a tweak. And then we can get that all in place. Alright, so let's put the micro screwdriver bit on. Grab one of them. God, these are tiny. Tiny little screws, folks. Dun, 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 dun. And we're going that way round onto there. Gone into whisper mode, haven't I? So we've got a locating peg and a screw right in there. And breathe. Grab the next one. Little whop of oil. Say little around it, but screw that in place. And we can go back now, tighten that one all the way down, like so. And that powers of deduction will leave us 1. Now, they sent me 5 screws again. Now I was getting confused thinking I'd missed an hole, but I haven't. And there you go, that then leaves me that one just there. just like so, folks. And you're going to end up with that little panel. Yep, that's how it's supposed to be. Strange little setup there. There you go, folks. That's what you've got at the end of this issue. And I need to just check on the other side what we got. Yeah, one there, one there, one there. Perfect. And that is going to sit somewhere in the back there as part of this little assembly going on in there. It's going to be around here somewhere, folks, okay? But yeah, what a weird looking contraption there. Yeah, I think it goes around here somewhere, around that bend. Somewhere like that. That's what I think. It just clicks up and folds back into here. So folks, don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, this kit, head over to the Fanhome website by clicking the link all the way along here. It's in the description below the video as well, folks. Also, if you can just click that little festa and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that will really help me out massively, and I am eternally grateful. It really helps me grow the channel and bring the content to you all. Hit the notification bell, select all, and that will let you then know when all future issues of these videos get uploaded. Until the next time, folks, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.